We're rolling!
Hi, Leah!
Something that I love that we do all the time is this really like the New York girl hair.
Like the cool girl, easy bend
cool,
model.
like,
There's like a
that's
couple
what I
tricks I'm
wanna
going to show you. I'm so excited.
I'll stop talking.
Because I've been doing your hair for how many years?
Since 2005.
And we've done a ton of different types of looks. And I feel like the one we always go back to for like the more natural daytime New York is like a cool beach wave.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to start on the bottom and work your way up. So here's the key. You want to leave these ends out. And then when you release it, you slide it straight down and it gives you that bend that feels
that
like
one little bend.
Yep. What you're going to do is you always want to hold it upright with the clamp facing in. Okay, so you're going to bring the hair over.
So,
Cool. Yep, and go a little bit higher so we get more of a curl pattern. Perfect. Now you want to hold it for about 3 to 4 seconds. So really kind of wait.
so perfect. I don't like using a ton of products, and I don't love using 100 things to just. I want to be able to like put my hands through my hair.
And it's important for people to just sort of find their own beauty and figure out what's going to make them feel really pretty.
This tomorrow will look amazing.
One of my favorite tips is actually, I like to spray a flexible hairspray on the brush.
You do this on the brush, I know this.
So I spray it, it's a super flexible hairspray, now brush it through. It like polishes it and brings it together a little.
This is what you do, you like pull it out and like copy.
You know, pulling this into a pony is really pretty because you get all this texture, even into a little braid.
Or
but
even
it
like,
so
you can
good.
play
with the part. Carefree.
Weirdly, I
and-
need my hair down when I'm performing. I just feel like weirdly more like comfortable with my hair.
Yeah,
down
that
when
makes
I'm
sense.
singing.
But like for a carpet or a panel, like for
I
the
love
mayor.
it behind, tucked back,
Right.
center part, out of my face.
And that's the cool thing about beauty, about hair and makeup. Like you can change your vibe based on what you're doing.
Meredith is our other very good friend. So my first photo shoot that I ever did, I was in Spring Awakening off Broadway. And it was for the New Yorker.
The New Yorker.
It was for the New Yorker being
Shot
shot
by
by
Cass
Cass
Bird.
Bird. I worked with Sarah and Meredith, who it actually exists.
Come on, Mare.
We've been working together ever since then, and it's so nice because we get to have fun in this, you know. Meredith's just sitting in the camera. There you go. She's like, and I'm out of here. That was it. Okay, well that was fun. Can we do it again?
Fun.